guys, alright, today I'm going to be doing a video on a default application that is built into the Mac OS X applications. It's called Spaces. As you can see, I have multiple applications running, but I only have one thing on this screen, and I have one thing minimized. So, as you can see, they're actually running, they're not hidden, I didn't open them and just quit the window and keep them running. If I hit my hotkey that I have designated as my Spaces key, I have it designated as F19 because it's not used for anything else. I hit F19, as you can see, I have another Safari window open. I have LiveType, I have GIMP, I have my terminal, and I have iMovie HD all running at the same time, all in designated spaces. Each of them are fully running. See, I can go to this one, I can move it around, do everything with it, start a new window, do everything. It's all accessible. And as you can see, if I want to if I have something in this space and I would like to drag it into this space, it's easy to do. I can just go like this, drag the window over, oops, go over here, and then drag whatever I want. Say I want this link, I can just drag it over out. And if I want it back to clean my desktop up again, I can do that. Okay. This is really easy to do. All you're going to want to do is go into your system preferences. And then you want to go to personal and then expose and spaces. Click that. Make sure you're on the spaces tab. Click enable spaces. And then as you can see, you can add more rows and add more columns. I have 6. The default is 4. I just like 6 because that's all I really need. Then when you can assign applications to different spaces. I have Safari, iTunes, iMovie, CyberDuck, X11, and Terminal, all assigned to different spaces. And then you can, to add spaces, assign them or whatever, you click this plus, and then you could choose what you want assigned to what space. You can click on other if they're not on that little drop menu and choose whatever you want. And then you're going to go to activate spaces, change it. Normally it's at F8. I chose F19 because F19 is not used, and because I have a keyboard where F8 is the play pause button for iTunes, and then I have this as a dash, and then I leave these as default. And I have this clicked, so whenever I open an application, it automatically switches to the space. Overall, it's very easy to use, very simple. I like it. I use it all the time. Keeps my desktop clean, so it's not cluttered, and it just is really easy to use. So I definitely go out and try it. If you don't want to, doesn't matter. If you run a lot of things at one time, have multiple applications running, and your screen gets cluttered and you cannot even see your desktop, your wallpaper or whatever, and you're constantly minimizing, I definitely use this because that's what I was doing all the time. So please try it. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.